Right now that our certificate has been approved, the next thing is for us to go and download it and get it sent to the owner of the company registration. If your CAC is approved and you haven't downloaded your certificate status report or MEMART yet, let me walk you through the exact step right now. Because many business owners celebrate CAC approval, but they don't even know where their certificate is. Don't be that person. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get all your documents fast. Make sure you follow through and watch till the end. So right now, let's go straight to it without much ado, as our company registration has been approved. How to download a company document from your CAC portal. Either it is your MEMART, your status report, or the company CAC certificate. Come with me as I show you how to get it. All you need to do is to log in into your CAC portal after it has been approved. This registration has been done. It has been approved by the CAC. It is a company registration, and now we are going to download our documents so as to be able to send it to our clients. You can see it here, Blessed Legacy Venture Limited. You go straight to your registration section on the CAC portal. You click on the action at the front of that particular document that you want to download. So you come down to where you have action. After the approved, you can see action. Once you click on it, it will open up and display this box where you will see the applications that is needed of you to download for your clients. So if you want to download receipts, we have the download certificates, we have download status report, and download MEMART. So 3 documents is what is being given to a company whenever you register that particular company. After a successful registration, you will be given access to download to get certificates, status reports, and MEMART for that company. So let's go together as we download this one after the other. You click on it and click on download certificates. It will load up for you. Give it time to load up. You can see that. Open. Let's open it and see what we have there. And boom, this is the certificate of incorporation of a private company limited by shares. Company registration number, blah 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 blah. You can see that the Registrar General of Corporate Affairs Commission hereby certified that Blessed Legacy Venture Limited is this day incorporated under the Companies and Allied Matter Act 2020 as a private company limited by shares, given under my hand at Abuja this 23rd day of March 2026. These have been approved since yesterday. I didn't actually check it out yesterday. So congratulations to our client. Here is the certificate. So all you need to do is to send it to your client, forward it to the person. So that is how you get the certificate for a company registration. So right now here you send it to your clients. I'll be sending this through WhatsApp. So right now, the next thing is for us to download the status report. You open it. We are going to be seeing the details of the person who owns the company, the directors details, and the shareholders details, and share with the owner of the document. You send it to them either through WhatsApp or through email. Then the next thing is the MEMART. Click on download MEMART. Allow it to load up. Then you send to the owner of the job. So here we have successfully delivered the company registration we just did to our client successfully. So that is that. If you find value in this, if you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, smash the like button. And if you find value, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. I'll be glad to provide an answer to your question. Thank you. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.